Guys, I made it to San Francisco. I just checked into my hotel and check out my view, guys. It's amazing. I have the full view of the parking lot. I will have a day of exploring to myself tomorrow, so I'm gonna catch some sleep and then wake up tomorrow morning bright and early, get some food. Maybe I want some food now. I don't know. Get some food and then just explore. Good night, y'all. Good morning, you guys. I slept pretty well on these sheets and in this very comfy queen-size bed. The luxury of being in a hotel versus a hostel beats everything. But it's time to get up and get ready. And I am on a quest today to just roam around the city, but most importantly, find some breakfast burritos because they are my favorite type of food. Let's go! Alright, now I am changed. The reason why I am in San Francisco is because I am meeting up with a lot of my family here just for the weekend, and then we're all gonna head back and drive to LA and then to Arizona and Vegas because some of my family has never been to the States before, so this is a very nice family trip for all of us. But I decided to take the initiative and come a day early and just explore San Francisco by myself before it gets rowdy with the family. So that's why I'm here early. So I have the entire day to just do whatever I want, and it's gonna be so fun. So I guess I made it to the most touristy area of San Francisco, Union Square. But that was not before I took a really bad turn to some other district where it was very, very sketchy. So I'm glad I'm actually here because I was scared for a second. So the unfortunate thing is I did no prior research on San Francisco just because whatever, I just wanted to wing it. But I think that's a bad idea because now I don't even know where I am. I barely know the districts. And I'm climbing up all these hills that don't even know where they lead to. So hopefully this leads me to some breakfast burritos. And it's way too hot right now. Overdressed. Fail. I've literally been walking around for an entire hour around the city. I don't even know where I am, but it looks touristy here and nice. The roads are closed off. Oh, I think I'm at Fisherman's Wharf actually. Jack's doesn't do me wrong because I got myself a grande sausage burrito. I am no longer hangry and I'm ready to go discover the city. Next stop, the Painted Ladies. So I've been walking around for like 2-3 hours now and it's getting really hot. I only brought like one pair of shorts just in case, but it turns out I'm wrong. I should have brought a few more pairs of shorts. I underestimated the sunshine, but I'm not complaining. But yeah, I've been walking into different residential areas for the past like 2-3 hours now, and like I don't know where I am, but these houses are really pretty. I am heading towards the direction of the Painted Ladies, so I think that's like another half an hour away. I am tired. I need food again. I need a drink. Maybe I should go to a bar and just drink. Let's check this out. This is crazy. I'm just in the middle of the street right now, and this car's coming by. Standing in the middle, there was a cable car. So I made it to the Painted Ladies. For anyone that wants to go here, it's on the intersection of Fulton Street and Steiner Street, and it's right across from Alamo Square. So yeah, it's basically just 4 houses with like different colors, really pretty colors, but that's it. I walked an hour and I have to get here. It's been an hour and a half walk, but I am finally here and I'm just gonna take a break. Oh yay. Oh, it's so relaxing here. Guys, I was trying to find some rosé on a patio, but everything was too expensive, and so I decided to go to a wine shop. Oh gosh, hold up, let me. So, what I was saying, I wanted to get a bottle of rosé or a glass at a patio in the sunshine, but by the time I was finding a place, the sun was setting and I found a wine shop nearby my hotel, so I decided to just buy a bottle of rosé from Northern California, and then just drink in my hotel room and then switch into my PJs and then just call it a day until my parents get here. How amazing. Honestly, I think this is the best idea ever. But yeah, and my awesome view of the parking lot, but I don't have to pay tip. The best part about solo traveling is the fact that you can just do whatever you want. I just got myself a bottle of wine, of rosé, because it's, you know, cold as fuck in Toronto and it's warm here in San Francisco. I decided to just get a bottle of rosé where it's, you know, appropriate, and then just go back to the hotel room, chill. You know, I can take a nap whenever I want. If my legs are tired, I can take a break. It's all these little things that you don't realize when you're going out with friends to, like, you know, and you're traveling the world. So when you're solo traveling, you get to do all of that and then some. I am enjoying myself in San Francisco. It's a great time. I love it, and I'm gonna indulge on my Northern California rosé. It's gonna be amazing. So guys, I got my ice bucket. It was right next door. Great room. And then I got this nice little bottle of wine from Northern California. And then I also got this bottle opener from front desk. So I didn't know how to use this, but apparently it's like this. And then you pull it out and you stick it in. Ow. There we go. Woo! Yes, yes. Some see it as desperation and loneliness. I see this as smart and enjoyable.